Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad that you are watching. If you are new here, welcome, karibu. My name is Mtalii, and on this channel we talk about all things making money online in Kenya, in Africa, and the rest of the world. We talk about side hustle opportunities, and we also talk about making a passive income online or even offline. So if any of these topics sound interesting to you, you want to hit the subscribe button below. And once you have done so, remember to hit the notification bell as well, so that every single time I post a new video, you do not miss out. In today's video, I'm going to talk about why now is the best time to make money online if you are based especially in Kenya, in Africa, or in Asia. So the number one reason why now is the best time to make money online if you're based in any of those continents that I've mentioned is because of the dollar or the euro or the British pound or any of those foreign currencies outside of our continent. The fact that very few people are currently traveling with second wave of COVID coming up and a lot of the countries closing their borders, it means there is much less foreign currency trickling into Africa, trickling into Asia, and to all of these other countries outside of Europe, the Americas, for example. Whatever foreign currency you are earning is gonna go a long way. So I'll give an example of my country, Kenya, for instance. Currently, for every $1 that you have, you get an equivalent of 110 Kenya shillings. And because most of the payments that you will get online will either be in the euro or in the US dollar or Canadian dollar or Australian dollar, that means you are able to make a lot more and have a higher purchasing power in your country, which obviously has a lower cost of living. So if for no other reason of why you should make money online now is to take advantage of the exchange rates that are currently working in our favor. You will earn your money in foreign currency, and for example, most of the online jobs or the online platforms will pay you via PayPal. So if you are based in Kenya, for example, you can very seamlessly, easily, instantly transfer money from your PayPal account directly into your mobile phone via Mpesa. How cool is that, guys? Reason number two why you need to make money online now, and it is the best time, is because it has never been easier than now. There is a lot more people online than ever before in the history of this world. There is a lot more businesses online than ever before in the history of this world. And that means there's a lot more audiences for either your service or your product. So that's reason number two why this is the best time to make money online in Kenya, in Africa, in Asia, or just anywhere outside of Europe or the Americas. Number three reason why now is the best time to make money online in Kenya, in Africa, or Asia is because you do not have to offer a service or to have your own product to make money online. And let me explain. Remember, when it comes to making money online, you need two things. Number one, you need an audience. And number two, you need a service or a product to sell to this audience. So for example, you can actually make money online with services without offering those services by being what I call a broker. Let's say, for example, I want to make money with social media marketing and I have zero skills in social media marketing, or maybe I'm just not interested in doing social media marketing. So what I will have to do is to, let's say, offer social media marketing package at $100 and then find somebody else who is willing to do that social media service for me at a lower price of, let's say, $60. So once I find somebody who's willing to buy my social media package at $100, I will give the person who is going to do it for $60 and I will keep the 40 US dollars. That is what I call service drop shipping, or service brokerage, or service arbitrage. Now let's move to the product side of things. Maybe I do not have my own personal product, or I'm just not interested in having my own personal product. You can actually get other people's products, market them, and then get paid a commission for marketing those products or services. This is what I call affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products or services and then get paid a commission once somebody uses your affiliate link to purchase those products or services. And there are so many places where you can share your affiliate links. You can share them to your WhatsApp contacts. You can share them on your social media profiles, such as your Facebook page. You can use your Instagram. You can use TikTok. Like, the opportunities are endless. Reason number 4 why now is the best time to make money online is because it is very easy to start. As I have mentioned, there are only 2 things you need to make money online: have an audience, with buying power or with an intention to buy, and number 2, a product or a service to sell to this audience. With a lot more people having come online, with a lot more businesses coming online, people have become a little more comfortable with online purchases. And that means when you offer a product or a service online, your chances of getting it sold or purchased are higher than they were in the past, when people were a bit jittery and a little bit scared, or a little bit less comfortable with making purchases online. So this is your opportunity to cash in on this trend. And also, when it comes to things like affiliate marketing, there's a lot of opportunities that have arisen just by the fact there's a lot more people online, a lot less physical contact. So a very simple product is like online meetings. So if you can be able to promote online meeting platforms or online meeting software such as Webinar Jam, Microsoft Teams, and the like, Zoom, Skype, you're likely to make a lot more money than you were, say, 1 year before, when there was fewer online meetings. So the opportunities have increased significantly, and this is your opportunity to tap into those and let them work in your favor. Last but not least, of course, there is the flexibility to work from anywhere. When it comes to the online world, all you need is an internet connection and a platform, which could very easily be your phone or your computer. And there's lots of ways to make money online just with your phone. If you don't have a computer and you want to check this video up here, or some of those ways to make money online without a computer, without a laptop, just using your phone. So that's it, guys, in terms of why now is the best time to make money online in Kenya, in Africa, in Asia, and other countries outside of the Americas and Europe. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll definitely see you on the next one. Bye-bye.